Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about permanently limited PayPal account. You will agree with me if I say PayPal is the worst payment platform anyone can use in making transactions. 7 months ago, I received $10 in my PayPal account. This PayPal has not done any illegal transactions, but I was permanently limited. I'll advise you to use other options you have if it is necessary for you to receive money from other country. All right, because there will not be a way for you to resolve this issue once you have been permanently limited. All right, they gave me 180 days for me to withdraw my money, but up to now I still find it difficult to withdraw money from PayPal after being permanently limited. I tried to withdraw this money out of PayPal and they asked me to add a bank account or a debit card. Let me tap on transfer money now. So I tried adding my card and they said my card has been declined by the issuing bank. So if you have other options apart from PayPal to receive your money, please use it instead of using PayPal, because your account might get permanently limited and it might not be easy for you to resolve the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.